still feel easy about back here. So I'm hoping that hair will grow back here.
You like hair to cover that part up? It will, so it might take a little time for it to do that. That's normal. Have you ever heard of something called an insecurity?
No.
You have to work on your insecurities and become secure with them. You know what I'm saying? Insecurity is something that you personally feel uneasy about that nobody knows about except for you. What I had to realize about my own insecurities, I used to be insecure about how dark my skin was. They used to call me Blackie. And I was in a white area where there was a lot of white people. And I used to get in trouble a lot because I was the darkest person in the class. But when all the movie actors was my complexion and looked good in movies, and I looked like them with like a low haircut, I started getting a lot of recognition. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Ma'am.
You like it?
No.
He said that he doesn't like this part of his head being shown. He's a little, he has a little bit of
Yeah, at least your head not shaped funny, baby. You got a nice, your skull was shaped nicely.
So that's what I was telling him.
I've never used to this before, so.
It might take a little getting used to, but I think you get a lot of compliments about it. I showed him the back of my head and told him about how it was when I was younger. And my uncle used to call me Hook because I had a hook that he used to do like this. But he did it because he loved me. He just a little apprehensive about it because he thinks that people gonna talk about it. But everybody got one back here.
But your head, I sat and rubbed your head for a long time, almost every day. You shaved nicely back here. Yeah, you gotta get used to it. You're gonna be a little cold.
But you look fresh. You look nice.
And all you gotta do is sponge the top like you've been doing.
Yeah, and I showed you the products and what to do.
What do you want me to use? Because he has that spray.
The spray?
He has that.
Yeah, so
And then I have some rosemary relieving conditioner there.
I used the foam wrap first. And after I used the foam wrap, then I went in and sponged it, and then I went and set it with the shaper. So it should stay.
Because I got to be, I don't have that.
Yeah, and then, you can just kind of, he got a nice braid of hair. It's long. It's long enough for him to get it braided up there.
He don't, and that's what he got. He would have braids when he was a baby, and he was tender-headed. He used to fight me all the time. Then the dreads and the clips part that he didn't like, so that's why we cut the dreads off and we heard.
I was telling him every morning that before he gets in the shower after, to tell himself 5 affirmations that he loves about himself. When you look in the mirror, to look in his eyes and say it, and he gonna feel it. Yeah, I think
that'll bring your confidence up.
Yeah.
Told you that.
Yeah.
You gotta build your confidence up.
Yeah.
You good.
You a good young brother, man.
Trying to keep you like that.
Yeah. I told him, man, God give people good hearts for a reason.
And I appreciate you too.
Thank you, man.
You coming back because I see he taking up some time with you, and I like that.
I was talking to him about comedians.
I heard you.
Yeah. Standing up for himself.
Yeah. What's my response to that? You do.
I told him, I said, you gonna have a beard fast.
Yeah, because it's coming.
Yep. And you got the sideburns looking nice.
13.
Yep.
Fix your clothes. So you gotta start caring about how you look too, baby. That all goes together. And I gotta keep up your haircut. We'll be back.
Yes, ma'am. Got my card.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, ma'am.
Thank you.